Hey, what's up, everybody? We got another Backdoors and Breaches expansion pack today. Today, we're diving into Red Canary's first 1.0 expansion. Red Canary, while we dig into this, in case you don't know, is an MDR provider. They're also the creators, I think, of Atomic Red Team, which is a pretty cool adversary emulation tool set. And they also do incident response and like tabletop exercise training and things like that, readiness training. So, pretty fitting that they would work with a company like Black Hills to create an expansion set. Diving into the deck, you get all the normal cards that you'd expect to see. But I like going through the initial compromises first because these are always fun. So let's see if they have anything kind of cool in their deck while I sort these out. Let's see, we got USB drive-by, RFID theft, obfuscated payload delivery, gatekeeper bypass, and compiled after delivery. Neat stuff. I really like this USB drive-by. I think it's kind of cool. I think we all hear stories of picking up a USB device sitting in a parking lot, or wandering around a security con and wondering if you should pick up those USB drives. The answer is no, you shouldn't. But I think things like this add a neat element to security, right? We're always worried about users picking stuff up. USB drives are prevalent, they're everywhere. Every marketing department in the world has probably created one with their logo on it. So we're always worried about what will be on those drives. And now they have a card for it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we got anything neat from C2 and Xfill. I like the C2 cards also. It's always unique to see how people are stealing stuff. Malicious access points, Bluetooth is Xfill. We kind of talked about this a little bit in one of my previous videos. I like Bluetooth as an exfil device. I think anything where we're using, any type of wireless protocol is kind of unique or interesting because they're just so prevalent. Very, very cool. So we have things like that. We have Bluetooth. We have malicious access points. All those kinds of cool things. Going through the list, let's see what else we have. What kind of cool persistence mechanisms might they have? From a persistence perspective, rename process, scheduled tasks, event triggered execution. These are all pretty cool. I think scheduled tasks are a very common one that we'll see. Scheduling tasks is a great way to get persistence on a system. You can have it initiate a script or reinstall something upon reboot or kind of whatever you need it to. And then let's see what kind of tooling they got. Obviously, we got a call a consultant card. That's pretty standard in the expansion packs. We definitely want to give companies like Red Canary a call if we need to. But I really like this one, physical security review, right? We're going through, we're checking your cameras, we're making sure nobody actually snuck into your building to steal your data. Very, very cool. All in all, I like it. I think it's a very fun looking set. Can't wait to play with people. I think it's available now at the Spearfishing General Store and probably available from them if you run into their marketing people. But that's the Red Canary Backdoors and Breaches expansion set. Check it out and have a great day, everybody.